Hola, buen día. All right, quick review about telling time. Hopefully you remember this. If not, I think a lot of us have probably forgotten just because it's been a while since we looked at it. So remember, these are the rules over here, right? So to say the exact hour, son las, whatever. But remember, if it's 1 o'clock, es la una. And then just look at this, and that'll remind you of all of our formulas for that, right? So figure out, how do you say it is 8:07 a.m. It is 12:15 p.m., right? So remember, in the morning, de la mañana, in the afternoon, de la tarde, and in the evening, de la noche. Figure out what those are. And reminder that the writing redos and retakes are due tonight by midnight. You should have sent me already your retake form if you're doing that. If you have not, it's too late. Our Afro-Latino del día es un grupo, se llama Samuel Formel y los Van Van. Looks like it's not totally working here, so you can click that. Pero la canción se llama Amiga Mía. Amiga Mía es como mi amiga. Y el país es Cuba, por eso son cubanos. Después habla, me gusta, no me gusta, ¿y por qué? Porque es pegajosa, porque no es mi estilo, ¿vale? ¿Y qué necesitas para una clase de español? Bueno, ¿qué necesitas en mi clase? Pues necesitas tu computadora, ¿sí? Un lápiz o bolígrafo y una carpeta, seguramente. ¿Qué necesitas qué necesitas para la clase de educación física? ¿Qué necesitas? Y además, ¿qué necesitas para la clase de ciencias sociales? ¿Un libro? ¿Un diccionario? After that, we're going to play a bluket, so you can head to that and play it. It's just a review of all of those classroom objects. And after that, we are going to continue working on listening. So yesterday we did well, if you look at the slides from yesterday, we did just the second one. We skipped that first one and we only did the second one. So make sure you do that. And then today we are going on the other side of that same page. And we're doing the big one in the middle. So it looks just like that. So hit play. It's already queued up, but in case you lose your spot, it starts at 1 minute and 12 seconds. So figure out what's going on in there, fill it all in, and then you are going to, on our notes page, we had that one little section that was blank. This is where you're going to be adding these. So we have ordinal numbers. What are ordinal numbers in English? We know them. It's a big fancy word, but it just means first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, all of those. And we already know one, right? How do you say the first of the month? El primero. So you already know some of these. So this, again, you are not getting a new notes page. You're just adding this to the end of the, to those blank ones that are there. So the first one, primer or primero, primera, that means first.
Excuse me, staff and students, please pardon this interruption. Teachers, this is just a reminder on your audit sheet. You need to sign your full
So go
name
through and
first
start
and
filling this
last.
in.
It must be in blue or black ink. And please do not use the tardy code in attendance. If you have any questions, let us know.
So you'll notice that we have abbreviations for these, right? So if it's séptimo, séptima, you're going to have a little A floating or a little O floating. And we'll explain a little bit later, but if you were talking about the ninth boy, you would say noveno, because he's a boy, and you would have a little O over here. If you're talking about the ninth girl, you would say novena, because she's a girl, chica, and you'd have an A. Simple as that. Very easy, these abbreviations. All right, 10th is décimo. So, quick reminder about this, or not reminder, letting you know that this is just like English, finally, right? No opposites, no weird mixing things up. Instead, to say it's the first girl, you would say primera chica, or to say first hour, primera hora. It goes right before, just like you would usually do. The fifth person, la quinta persona. After that, so ordinal number endings, just like I mentioned a second ago, they are going to always match the noun that you're talking about, right? First hour, primera hora. The fifth person, la quinta persona. It's all coming from that. El segundo, amigo, right? See the difference? And then we're going to do some practice. So at home, you can figure out, what is el primer mes? Well, the first month of the year would probably be January, enero. So go through el séptimo, tercer, décimo, el segundo día de la semana, el quinto mes, right? So go through, figure out what those are. This is a quick little practice activity. If we have time, we're going to play this board game, but this is your homework for tonight. If you're not sure what to do, make sure you watch the video. Bueno, that's it all. That's